Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Hello, assalamu alaikum. Okay, assalamu alaikum everyone. Let more students join the class. Everyone should open the video. Please open the video of yours. Aisha Ilyas, beta do recitation. Zaifa, Mahat, Fahad, all of you should open the video. Aurelia, you as well. And Aisha, beta do recitation.
أعوذ بالله من
Beta cover the hat first.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد صدق الله
Sadaqallahu Azim. I think that there is the internet issue. That's why the voice is cutting now. Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Fahad, please open the video and be attentive, please. Okay. How many topic we did up till now?
Yes.
Beta, how many topic we did up till now?
Good teacher.
Okay, beta, wait a second. Let me answer the student. Okay, sorry, beta. There was a call of parent. So up till now we did one grammar topic and one writing topic. Was that clear to all of you? Shamin and Fahad, beta, open the video. Ahmad, Fahad, and Jana, please open the video. Okay, Fahad, no issue. Okay. Do let me know the last topic, affixes, was clear to all of you?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes, teacher.
Ji, Samir. Do you know what are affixes? Ali Ahmad? Ji, bete Shamir. Huzaifa, are you sure, bete? Aurelia, shall I move forward?
Yes, teacher, मुझे समझ आ रहे थे सब एक्सेस.
जी Aurelia बेटे, what about you? Okay, so I'm moving forward. Okay, the book that is included in your course is Oxford Anthology. And we are doing the first lesson of that book. The first lesson, A New Life of Maya. Open, if you have the book, open page number 10. I'm also sharing the screen. If you have the book, you can open the book. A New Life for Maya. The first comprehension, we are doing it. Do you all have books? But if you don't have the book, you can, whosoever is not having, they can capture picture or take the screenshot of that. Please. Because I have to give today the assignment of comprehension. Aisha, Ali Ahmed, all are having the course with you?
Yes.
Yes.
Zainab Jafar, Uzaifa Bete, are you having the course?
Teacher, which one book? Matilda.
Oxford Anthology. Oxford International Anthology. The language book, first comprehension we are doing.
No, teacher, anthology नहीं है.
टीचर मैंने नहीं खरीदी.
Okay, no issue, Bete. I'm sharing the screen. So you can take picture, you can take a screenshot of this comprehension, please. Am I clear to all of you? Because I have to give assignment and you have to do within 2 days. So better to take a screenshot or take a picture.
मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया.
Okay, very good. Yes, Samir Ahmed, you as well, bete. Hamad, all of you should do it, please. Take a picture. Zainab Jafar is again joining. I think there is an internet issue. A new life for Maya. In the room, full of fear and light brown hats, she stood out with her pale triangular face, her widely spread dark eyes. How was, in the room full of fear and light brown hats, these were the hats of the students. Now, few were having the fair color and few were having the light brown. They were in different colors. So who stood? Maya stood her with her pale triangular face. She was having, it's all about the face, the physical appearance of Maya. How was her face? Pale triangular. Her widely spread dark eyes, she was having dark eyes. Her ears laid bare by the heavy rope of black hair. So उसके कान घनी जुल्फों से ढके हुए थे. The rope is जुल्फों को बोलते हैं बेटे. Give her an unprotected look. The door opened, 20 had stunned. And when the door was open, 20 had, it means all the students were turning back. 20 had turned. It means the students who were in the class, they turned. Would Maya Fielding come to the head teacher's room, please? Said the maid. So what did the maid ask? Maid was taking permission about Maya's Fielding. She should go to head teacher's room. She was taking permission. So Maya rose to her feet. Maya stood. Now she was talking to her own self. Fear is the cause of all evil, she told herself. खौफ हर बुराई की जड़ है. This is the phrase. But she was afraid. वो बहुत डरी हुई, बहुत खौफजदा थी. किस चीज से डरी हुई थी? जाने अनजाने लोगों से. Afraid in the way of someone who is alone in the world. Maya एक orphan थी. She was an orphan. So definitely she does not know about anything. Or she was afraid of the whole world. वो पूरी दुनिया में अकेली थी. So she was afraid of all that. Miss Bang was sitting behind her desk. Miss Bang was the class teacher of Maya and she was sitting at the back of her desk. Mr. Murray was in a leather chair by a table, rustling papers. He was turning the paper. He was Maya's guardian. Who was guardian? The person who looked after. if the person is not having the parent or they are not having mother or father, so the person who look after the child or who nourish them, they are our guardian. Fine. So Mr. Murray was by profession he was a lawyer. So now that Miss Bank, the teacher, was sharing it that they, from 2 years they were finding the relatives of Maya. Fine, now they are giving the good, when they have called the Maya in the office, so what did they do? They have given the good news to Maya that what happened, we have found your relatives. हमने आपके रिश्तेदारों को ढूंढ लिया है. Maya took a deep breath. She sighed at the moment. When she heard about the news, she was taking a deep breath. A home, she was surprised to listen because she never heard the word a home. क्योंकि जो यतीम लोग होते हैं ना बेटे, an orphan, उनका कोई घर नहीं होता. So the home word was very strange to Maya. She spent her holidays for the past 2 years in the school. वो 2 साल से अपने holidays, everything she was spending in school. So जो कुछ भी था वो घर, जो भी आप कहेंगे वो सब कुछ उसके लिए स्कूल था. Everyone was very friendly and kind, but a home, you know, सब कुछ ठीक ठाक था, friendly था, but a home, ये जो word होता है ना बेटे ऑर्फन के लिए बहुत strange होता है, और आप एक तरह से कह लें बहुत दुख की बात भी होती है उनके लिए. So that was Maya was happy as well, but it was surprising moment for Maya as well. We have now Miss Bang is sharing it. We have been searching for anyone related to your late father. Late father means Maya was not having the father. He died. So now they were, after the death of the father, they were finding, and now they found Mr. Murray. Fine. So he was the second, there was a second cousin. कौन थे वो? Mr. Clifford Carter, who was the father. So ये उनके second cousin थे. We know that there was a second cousin, Cliff Carter, that had immigrated 6 years earlier. He had left England with his family. तो उन्होंने इंग्लैंड अपनी घरवालों के साथ छोड़ दिया था. He's living, the Carters are living on the Amazon. Where are they living? They were living in the place, the Amazon. Okay. And where is the Amazon? In South America and Brazil. Put in Miss Banks. Miss Banks shared all that news to Maya. Maya lifted her hand. Maya ने अपना सन उठाया on the Amazon. She said, she again asked about the place because it was very strange to her in the Amazon. So when she heard the word Amazon, she was thinking, ma'am, आपका, what do you mean? A jungle? In the jungle? उसके कहने का मकसद था क्या जंगल में? She began thinking of the Amazon. क्योंकि वो जो उसने वो word सुना Amazon, तो उसके जो ख्यालात उसके दिमाग में आए, it was all about like forest and the jungle. तो अब वो उसके बारे में search, she was all thinking about all that, like of rivers full of leeches, जहाँ पे leeches होती हैं, वो जो रेंगने वाले कीड़े चिपक जाते हैं जो आप blood suck करते हैं, they are small worms of dark forest with hostile Indians. वहाँ पे जो रेड इंडियंस होते हैं, और जो उसके माइंड में जो भी थिंकिंग्स आ रही थी, इट्स ऑल अबाउट द जंगल. सो आई एम स्टॉपिंग द कॉम्प्रिहेंशन ओवर हियर and I'll be asking the question from first page. Till here I stopped. Fine. Leeches of the dark forest with hostile Indians. Here I'm stopping. Wafa is joining us. Okay. Let Wafa join the class. I'll be again explaining the chapter, page 1. Ji bete, up till now it's clear to all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Who was Maya bete?
An orphanage.
Okay.
Orphan.
By
Orphan.
heard the word a home. How did she reply? And how did she feel?
What's your question again? He feel unprotected.
Very good, Aisha Ilyas. Okay, you know, writers had written about Maya's hair. It was heavy rope. She was having the heavy rope of black hair. So what does it mean? The writer used the word heavy rope. So what does it mean? How was Maya's hair?
Teacher, long hair mean.
Very good. She was having long, thick black hair. घनी काली जुल्फें थी उसकी. ठीक है? Is this clear to all of you?
Yes.
Okay, look at the question number 2. Word phrase in line 15 show that Maya is trying to be brave.
Teacher, अब फिर से question.
In line 15, look at that line 15. Again, I'm sharing the screen. Look at that. Look at this line 15. Which phrase shows that Maya was showing herself brave and strong? Phrase mean एक sentence होता है मेरा बेटा. जी.
Teacher, for her holidays for 2 years.
No. You know, when Miss Banks shared about that they found the relatives. So how did Maya show the expression? She took a deep breath. By taking the deep breath, she is showing herself strong and brave. उसने गहरी सांस deep sigh करते हैं हम किस तरह लेते हैं करके सांस ली. When she heard the news that they have found the relative, जब उन्होंने बताया कि हमने आपके रिश्तेदार ढूंढ लिए, तो माया ने गहरी सांस ली. तो जो गहरी सांस उसने ली ना, उसने अपने आप को स्ट्रॉन्ग दिखाने के लिए ली. ठीक है? Okay. Why did the writer repeat the word "a home" in the passage? Will you please try to join the class on time?
Teacher, again question.
Why did the writer use the word "a home"?
Teacher, because
And he repeated it.
Orphan have do not home.
Yes. You know, the writer used the word "a home" because Maya was an orphan and she did not see the home. In her life, she did not see. After the death of the parents, she was living in a school. So the word home was very strange to Maya. Ji bete, any question you wish to ask? Okay, what was Maya's teacher name?
Mrs. Banks.
Very good.
And Mr.
And who was the writer?
Mr. Murray.
Very good. Ji, Huzaifa, the passage is clear to all of you?
Yes. Yes.
Ji, Wafa, you tell bete, the passage is clear to all of you? Ji, Wafa, did you understand?
Yes. Yes.
How was the physical appearance of Maya? How did she look like? She was having long, heavy robe. And how was the color of the hair? Black. Black hair she was having. Gani kali zulfeं थी उसकी बड़ी. Thick robe she was having. ठीक है ना? उसके कान उसकी जुल्फों से ढके हुए थे. Okay. Any vocabulary you wish to ask?
No.
Okay, leeches. Note down the word leeches. Leeches are the small worms. जो blood suck करने वाले कीड़े नहीं होते? जिसे हम पिल्लू भी कहते हैं.
Your voice is not clear.
बेटे check your internet connection.
टीचर अब
I
सेकंड
am
पेज,
audible to all everyone बेटे.
टीचर अब सेकंड पेज खोलें.
Okay. Now look at that. Note down the vocabulary as well. We are done till dark forest with hostile Indians. Till here. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will finish it.
टीचर
Note
वेयर आर
down the vocabulary,
वोकैबुलरी.
the glossary part as well. Guardian mean the person who look after the child. जिनके पेरेंट्स नहीं होते हैं, जो ऑर्फन होते हैं, उनको जो लुक आफ्टर करते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल कभी कोई उनको रिलेटिव्स में गोद ले लेता है ना, वो उनके गार्डियन बन जाते हैं. जी बेटे. पूछिए बेटे. All the vocabularies are clear to all of you. So who will review the today's topic? Hamad, Aurelia, open the video. Okay, now Aurelia, it's your turn to explain the comprehension. What did you understand? Aurelia, beta, open the video of yours. Samir, mute yourself. I don't want any sibling voice. Please mute yourself. Ji, Aurelia, beta, speak up. Beta, what did you understand? Samir, please mute yourself. All of should mute. Hey, Samir, mute yourself, please. Okay, Ali Ahmed, you tell. Aurelia went somewhere. Ji, Ali Ahmed, bete.
Teacher, in this paragraph, they are telling that Maya was an orphan. Maya was an orphan. She had great black
Where
both
was she spending days from last 2 years?
teacher
Where was she spending days from last 2 years?
orphanage.
Okay, she was living in a school, my dear.
Schools.
It's not mentioned that she was living in orphanage. ठीक है? Okay. How was Maya's physical appearance, Sameer? Sameer left the class. Okay. Ji Shamir beta ask the question. You all can mute. You all can unmute yourself. Ji beta.
टीचर मैं आपसे पूछ रहा था बिकॉज टीचर मिस जवेरिया की क्लास 3 PM पे थी, उन्होंने नहीं ली, तो टीचर क्या लास्ट ब्लॉक फ्री हो गए हम लोग को टीचर लिंक?
Beta, I am not taking science subject. I really don't know about it. I'll confirm and I'll message in group. If she already had taken the class, so I can't say anything about it. Please talk about only my class. Fine. About any other thing, I'll be sharing in WhatsApp group through the class group. Because right now it's a combined class of 5 red and green. Fine. I am a teacher right now. In group, I'll be sharing everything. Please ask the question related to comprehension. Ji bete, Huzaifa, comprehension is clear to you? Who called Maya in the head teacher's room? Please answer.
Teacher, can you repeat again?
What bete? The whole comprehension. बेटे हुज़ैफा
क्या बाबा बोल सकती हैं?
क्या चीज बेटे वो तो बताएं.
टीचर क्वेश्चन.
Who called the Maya in head teacher's room? माया को किसने बुलाया था हेड टीचर्स के रूम में?
मिस्टर बैंग.
Okay, Miss Bang was sitting over there. But who called Maya over there? Definitely, if someone is coming from home to pick you and you are going in the principal office, so who called you in the office?
प्रिंसिपल.
Definitely, the specific person who is authorized, they will sit over there, na? And they are calling you. Clear, na?
Yes.
Okay. G. Why was Maya afraid? When she was going in the office of head teacher, why was she afraid to go? वो क्यों इतनी डरी हुई खौफजदा थी? जी बेटे speak up.
Because the word home.
When she stood on her feet, so how was she feeling? जब वो खड़ी हुई तो वो जब उसको बुलाया गया, when they called her and she stood on her feet, जब वो खड़ी हुई, so she was, how was she feeling? She was afraid of the dark. वो अंधेरे से, dark से, afraid of the world. क्यों वो इतना डरी हुई थी? Why was she scared about everything?
Because the word home.
Because she was an orphan and she was all alone in the world. वो orphan तो थी, लेकिन वो पूरी दुनिया में अकेली भी थी. उसका कोई sibling नहीं था, मम्मा बाबा नहीं थे. She was all alone in the world. वो पूरी दुनिया में अकेली थी. That is the main reason of her scaredness. ये इसकी खौफ की वजह थी. ठीक है बेटे? वो orphan तो थी, लेकिन वो अकेली भी थी. उसका कोई sibling भी नहीं था. Am I clear? That is the major cause. That is the major cause. ठीक है बेटे? तो अब कौन रिव्यू करेगा? Only 1 minute I am having. कौन brief review करेगा जल्दी से माया के बारे में? Okay, Zainab, you give a brief review about Maya quickly. जल्दी से. After that, I have to end the class.
Teacher, Maya was an orphan girl and she lived in school. She was alone.
Okay, very good. And what did the school find for her? The school administration found a relative of Maya.
Yes.
So that she could live with them. कि जो उसका डर, उसका खौफ है, उसका अकेलापन है, अगर वो अपने रिश्तेदारों के साथ रहेगी तो वो जो स्केयरनेस उसके अंदर है, क्या पता वो निकल जाए. साइकोलॉजिकली ऐसा होता है, जब आप अकेले होते हैं, आप बहुत खौफजदा हो जाते हैं, डर जाते हैं, तो वो डर जब अपनों के साथ आप रहेगी वो छोटी बच्ची, तो वो डर उसका निकल जाएगा. जस्ट टू गिव हर कॉन्फिडेंट दे फाउंड द रिलेटिव ऑफ माया, कि वो जाके उनके साथ रहे. ठीक है. So it's the greatness of the school that they find the relatives of Maya. Okay, I'm ending the class today over here. Have a good day at the class. Time running out, bete.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, all of you.
Allah Hafiz, miss.
Inshallah, tomorrow we will finish this comprehension.
Allah Hafiz, miss.
Allah Hafiz, bete. The second page we will do by tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.